So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I made a summary reviewer for you to test yourself about your ability and learning in CCNA or Cisco 1. So, let's start. The I will give I will prepare the questions and the answers also, so you can review what I will be given to the questions to you. So it uploads data files to the web server such as form data. A. Get, post, put. The answer is B. Post. Uploads data files to the web server such as form data. So let's go for this question. Domains for business or industry. .com, .org, or .au. The answer is A. .com. A business or industry. Blank is an insecure method of remotely establishing a CLI session through a visual interface over a network. The answer is, the choices are console, secure shell, or SSH, and the last is telnet. The correct answer is C, telnet, because telnet is an insecure method of remotely establishing a CLI session through a virtual interface over a network. The second one is, in network communication, source and destination host use blank methods to negotiate correct timing for successful communication. The choices are access method, flow control, and response timeout. The correct answer is letter B, flow control. Because flow control in network communication, source and destination host are flow control methods to negotiate correct timing for successful communication. The next one is, it is responsible for taking the formatted segments from TCP, encapsulating them into packets, assigning them the appropriate addresses, and delivering them to the destination host. Choices are HTTP, TCP, or IP. The correct answer is letter C, which is the IP, because it is responsible for taking the formatted segments from TCP, encapsulating them into packets, assigning them the appropriate addresses, and delivering them to the destination host. So, the next one is, displays the contents of the IPv4 routing table stored in RAM. Choices are A. Show IP route, B. Show interfaces, C. Show IP interface. The correct answer is letter A. Show IP route, because it displays the content of the IPv4 routing table stored in RAM. The next is, in blank, frames are stored in queues that are linked to specific incoming and outgoing ports. A frame is transmitted to the outgoing port only when all the frames ahead of it in the queue have been successfully transmitted. The choices are fast-forward switching, fragment-free switching, and port-based memory buffering. The correct answer is letter C, which is the port-based memory buffering. So, the next question is, the process of sending a packet from one host to a selected group of hosts, possibly in different networks. The choices are unicast, broadcast, or multicast. The correct answer is letter C. The multicast. So, blank is a method of transporting an IPv6 packet over an IPv4 network. The choices are dual stack, tunneling, or C, translation. The correct answer is B, tunneling. Most networks allocate addresses dynamically using Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, which is DHCP. This reduces the burden on network support staff and virtually eliminates entry errors. As well, addresses are on the list for a period of time. The choices are end-user clients, servers and peripherals. Letter C, servers that are accessible from the internet. So the answer is A, the end-user clients. So, blank is similar to traditional subnetting in that bits are borrowed to create subnets. The formulas to calculate the number of hosts per subnet and the number of subnets created still apply. Choices are VLSM subnetting, B, flow control, C, response timeout. The correct answer is letter A, the VLSM subnetting. Next question is, where data is encoded using wavelengths from the electromagnetic spectrum. The choices are metallic wires within cables, glass or plastic fibers, letter C, wireless transmission, and for this question, the correct answer is C, wireless transmission. So, blank is a device convert analog into digital IP packets. The device could be an analog telephone adapter or ATA that is attached between a traditional analog phone and the Ethernet switch. The choices are A, VoIP, B, IP telephony, or C, real-time applications. The answer is letter A, VoIP. So, the next question is, it is a list of devices that use or comprise the network. A, network documentation, B, device inventory, C, budget. The correct answer is B, device inventory. So, the blank is dynamically generated by the sending device to identify conversation between two devices. This process allows multiple conversations to occur simultaneously. The choices are A, source port number, B, destination port, C, socket pairs, and the correct answer is letter A, source port number. So, it is an unidirectional communications where flow control, error detection, acknowledgements, and error recovery is not required or can be unhandled by the application. Examples include SNMP and TFTP. The correct answer is C, applications that handle reliability themselves. And the next question is, a network infrastructure that provides access to users and end devices in a small geographical area, which is typically an enterprise, home, or small business network owned and managed by an individual or IT department. The choices are local area network or LAN, B, wide area network or WAN, C, metropolitan area network or MAN, and the correct answer is letter A, local area network. The next question is the portion of the OS that interacts directly with computer hardware. Choices are shell, kernel, or hardware. The correct answer is letter B, kernel. The blank are the electronic hardware devices, media, and other connectors that transmit and carry the signals to represent the bits. The choices are physical components, encoding, or signaling. The correct answer is A, physical components. So, the next question is, provides better noise protection than UTP cabling compared to UTP cable. Blank is significantly more expensive and difficult to install. The correct answer is B, shielded twisted pair. And for our last question, the encapsulation process contains the layer 3 PDU and also provides for data link layer addressing. Choices are frame delimiting, addressing, or error detection. And the correct answer for that last question is letter B, addressing. So, yun guys, hope that wait, where's that? In this chapter, or in this video, hope that you have already reviewed this subject. So, before you end this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my other videos that will be uploaded. Bye guys!